Hi folks, it looks like you have clicked on the App Garage. Now you're probably asking yourself, what is this? Well, let me tell you something. Technology is changing so fast, and AI is changing even faster. But here's the truth. AI isn't something to fear. It's something to build with. Inside the App Garage, every tool starts with one question. How can AI make this easier, faster, and smarter for the people who use it? I don't build apps the old way. I build them with AI in mind from day one. So they adapt, they learn, and they grow with your business. AI isn't replacing people, it's empowering them. It's removing friction, eliminating busy work, and giving teams the clarity they've been missing. The future belongs to the businesses that embrace AI, not avoid it. And the App Garage is where that future gets built. If you have any questions, click on Contact. If you want to have a strategy call, go ahead and click on the strategy call. Or if you just want to ask some simple questions, go ahead and click on the diagnostics page. But anywhere, click, take a look around, and if you have any questions, please reach out. I am here to help you with all your needs, all your questions. So again, thanks for stopping by, and please be kind.